2024 Honda Civic Type R. We need to take these off, just clips. Pry it out with the clip removal tool, then this thing comes off. Same, just clips. Be careful because they're fragile here and there. So then you need to take this thing off to get access to visor. And this, you need that tool to let it go. It's like this, and it pops up right here, all this thing. I'll take it out and show you. Yeah, it looks scary, but it just sitting on this kind of clips, so whole thing comes out, and there are a few connectors behind it for climate control and emergency. There are two screws here and there, and there's another one, Phillips, the little Phillips screws, and then it goes off like this. The cluster has one screw here, one here, and one on top of it, right there. Two plugs, one and another one behind the cluster, and you can take it away. So when you're done with replacing cluster, you need this screw here and there, like I said, there, and the visor and everything here, and the panel back. And we are doing installation of this, because it was removed before, to get to the spot where the telematic control system module system, it's right here. So you pop this with your needle, and it's right behind it. It was sitting here, and all plugs are here. Here's one, here's another one. I'll show you that thing. So here's that module, two plugs, one here, and they are here. This is smaller one, and this is bigger one. This is for speaker and sun load sensor. Another one, but let me show you. To plug this and this first, and then screw to 8mm right there, here and there. See ya, Gilbert. Okay, so after you plug back speaker and sun load sensor there, just put everything back.